Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide for today will provide you with instructions to remove the new ransomware that is called Xorist. Xorist is the ransomware that belongs to the Xorist ransomware family. Before the ransomware attack, of course, you can open any files, pictures, Microsoft Office and other information pretty easily without any problems at all. However, because of certain existing vulnerabilities, this particular ransomware may be easily injected into the system and you will not be able to use the files anymore. So this is what it does with the files. It actually adds a special USB extension to the files and then tells the victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. So you cannot open any file because of this extension added. And even if you manually remove the extension, this doesn't work. You can now also see that the ransomware has changed the desktop background of the infected computer. First thing we recommend you to do is to carefully check the task manager, and if you find any suspicious processes that could be running in the background, you need to right-click on them and end their task to stop the further file encryption. This is handy because this could help you save at least some of your files from being damaged by this ransomware. As I said, the ransomware also places this ransomware note on your desktop background. It's actually saying something in Russian, mentioning that people need to pay the ransom. But once again, do not ever pay the ransom. If you do that, you may simply lose your money. Considering removing this ransomware, I recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. To get it, you are recommended to use a Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers may also be modified by this ransomware. So go to the page combocleaner.com. This is the official website related to Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware. Get the installer through this green download button, install the software and start researching your device with its help. Combo Cleaner works exceptionally well in terms of identifying and deleting the majority of ransomware type infections. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection of any malware. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the program begins scanning, researching and investigating your computer. The scanning itself may take several minutes depending on how infected your computer is. I would like to emphasize your attention on the excellent feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders on your system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So at the end of the scanning, you will see the whole summary of all the threats. You will be able to know the locations of these threats. Some of them can be removed manually, but we do recommend upgrading to Premium. This is the best way to keep your data always protected and to remove all other threats from your device.